Welcome to the second episode of the Gig Studio. Today we have Senior Ops Manager Siddharth Bharsakle with us. He has been working with Gig India for 4 years, and today he'll talk about how the largest e-commerce platform in India leveraged Gig India services. So I welcome you, Siddharth. How are you?
I'm good. And hi, Prachi. Thanks for having me here. I'm very much excited to be a part of this initiative. So, yeah, thanks a lot.
Same here, Siddharth. I hope that we have a good conversation and that people, actually benefit from this. So, first, I'd like to know about your role at Gig India. What exactly do you do here?
Uh, as you mentioned, I'm a senior operations manager. So basically, whatever the customer's requirement we have, we execute it. That's what the operation team does. So my day to so we deal with giggers for the execution part, and we work on the processes. We build a system. We ensure the requirement which we get from the client has been executed, and the end result is achieved. So that's how my day-to-day job looks like at Gig India.
Great. Okay, Siddharth, so now can you tell us how the largest e-commerce enterprise in the country leveraged our gig platform?
Okay, so Prachi, firstly, we all know how pandemic has hit globally, right? And to be specific, because of it, field operations were halted for a lot of customers, for a lot of enterprises. And the customer was also figuring out different ways to have customer engagement. So the problem statement was to switch field activities to a virtual module for engagement. So with a gig model, it was easily possible, and we were able to set up a team of giggers swiftly over a short period of time. So adding to it, so usually when it comes to other options, they charge you for the setup cost, the material cost, employee cost, infrastructure cost, and whatnot. Okay, but when it comes to us, we don't charge any fixed amount. So uh, we only work on a module of pay for the successful outcome. That's it. They can anytime upscale, downscale with the requirement, and as that's the second part. Third is they were looking for a team, or they were looking to have customer engagement across pan India, right? Uh, with different vernacular languages set up. So with us, we were able to do it in over a span of a week itself, and that was one of the key advantage.
Great, Siddharth. It's amazing to know this. I mean, carrying out such operations at such a faster scale, I don't think a lot of platforms are doing it these days. So this is amazing to know. All right. So, wait, I'll ask. All right. So, Siddharth, what, according to you, is the value that we are adding to our customers' growth plans?
Okay, so Prachi, with the customer, we started off with their customer engagement. To be honest, with the start, but later on they realized that we've done a great job over there, and they shifted their attention to customer reactivation. So that was one of the key problem for the customer, and they were working on different modules previously, field activities, and other different set of teams they had deployed on the field for the customer reactivation part. But the results were quite expensive. Uh, the cost, so the unit economics couldn't work out to that extent. But when it comes to us, we were able to make a similar impact and a greater impact the way field operation used to bring out with the gig module. So we have an ideation team who focus on how to drive best outcome to using optimum channels. So we started using WhatsApp as one of the channel, SMS, IVR, and majorly telecalling to engage the customers.
Okay, so Siddharth, can you tell us about the exact scale at which we carried out this operation?
All right. So we started with a few set of gigas as a pilot, but it worked out really well, and now it's scaled across pan India. So we have gigas. So since it's a vernacular thing, multi-language, so the requirement is we have to reach out to the customer in different from different geographical area. So we have gigas across the pan India working on this gig. So be at northern part, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, over here Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, and different set of languages. So uh, that is one part of it. Yeah, and the second part is we were able to reactivate 28% of user base of the customer. And talking in terms of numbers, it's about 50,000 customers, and that was such a huge scale, and that too in a month across different part of country. So that was quite an achievement for us in the previous months. And over the period of last 8 to 10 months, the customer is very satisfied and confident about the gig module now. So obviously, for the start, customer was quite skeptical, but now since we have proven results, customer is very confident on the gig module than us, and they are themselves introducing new set of requirements for their customer engagement, and they're themselves coming up with new set of ideas on how they can engage their customers virtually. So so, now, if you have seen, even if the restrictions are lifted in in almost most part of country, customer is still sticking with us for this gig modules. So that's about it. And also, client is looking to scale further and do different set of activities for different areas.
All right.
So yeah.
Um, okay, Siddharth. So, my last question to you would be, how do we manage the quality of such a large workforce on a day-to-day basis?
Cool. So Prachi, a very good question. So there's a saying by Steve Jobs which says quality is more important than quantity. So it is rigorously followed for all the gigs at Gig India. We ensure quality is given higher priority than quantity. So that's how we work across all different gigs. Not scale doesn't matter, but yeah, when it comes to such big time gig wherein a lot of giggers are working. So as Gig India is a tech based platform, we have technology, we have different AIs who does first level of check, which helps us which helps and gathers a lot of inputs at the primary stage. Later on, we have a dedicated team of quality check who has different quality check executives who go through recordings one by one, analyze the call, and keep giving us feedback. So keep giving feedback to the operations team, and the operations team further, uh, you know, revise and work on training modules to ensure uh, we give top-notch quality to the client. And hence, since we are able to do that, and that's working out for us, client is coming up with new set of requirements again and again just because of quality. So yeah, that's how we do it, Prachi.
All right, Siddharth, thank you so much for sharing such valuable insights with us. I'm pretty sure whoever has watched this, they are now totally ensured about the quality that we provide in terms of an on-demand workforce. So all thanks to you, and I hope to see you soon again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Prachi, for having me here and letting me be a part of this initiative. So looking forward for more such talks, and it was nice talking to you. Thank you so much.
Same here, Siddharth.